How to connect Google Maps to car Bluetooth. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can connect Google Maps to car Bluetooth. To connect your Google Maps to your car's Bluetooth, you will need to follow these steps. First of all, you'll need to enable Bluetooth on your phone. Swipe down from the top of your screen to access the quick settings and then tap on the Bluetooth icon to turn it on. After that, you will need to now pair your phone with your car. Ensure your car's Bluetooth system is in pairing mode. From the pop-up here, you will need to look for your car's name in the list of the available devices. Then tap on your car's name to connect. You may need to confirm a pairing code. And once connected, now you will need to adjust your Google Maps settings. For that, you will need to open your Google Maps on your device. Here, make sure you are logged into your account. After that, tap on the profile picture in the top right corner of your screen, and then from this menu, here select the settings option at the very bottom. Once you reach the settings page, you will need to navigate to the navigation settings here. Scroll down to find the navigation option, and once you locate it, simply tap on it to open it. Now here make sure play voice over Bluetooth is enabled. Also, if it is not enabled, tap on the toggle button at the right side to enable it. Along with that, also make sure play voice during phone calls is also enabled. Tap on the toggle button at the right side to enable it. This ensures that navigation prompts will come through your car's speaker. Now after doing that, you can start navigating the location. Come back to the previous home page. Here enter your destination in the search bar at the top. Tap on it and search for the destination. Once you open it, here tap on the direction option. Choose your location and here tap on the preview option. The direction will now play through your car's audio system. Also make sure that no other devices are connected to your car's Bluetooth when you attempt to pair. And if you encounter any issues relating to it, you can try restarting both your phone and car's audio system and then again repeat the same pairing process. So by following these steps, you should be able to connect Google Maps to your car's Bluetooth. That ensures hand-free navigation. So I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.